Winter has taken hold of this corner of northeastern Greece, but it's not just freezing conditions that are leaving Ahmed Mete feeling cold. He's overlooking a graveyard where his and other Turkish Muslims' relatives are buried, but in 2011 Greek authorities decided to bulldoze it to build a water tank. Mete says it's one example of how Turkish Muslims' identity and rights in the region of Western Thrace are slowly being eroded.
We can't educate our children like we want to. We're facing problems with preschools and primary school teachers. We also face problems with muftis, imams, and Turkish unions being fined because they're not allowed to be called Turkish. So we're being treated as second-class citizens.
As the town of Xanthe's elected mufti or highest-ranking religious official, he deals with both civil and administrative issues, as well as day-to-day religious affairs. Despite being elected by his community, he is not recognised by the Greek state, and even though he has the support of imams in 96 out of the 97 mosques.
The selection of muftis here is one of the biggest issues for Turkish Muslims. At the end of World War I, this part of the Ottoman Empire became Greece, and under the Treaty of Lausanne, the Turkish Muslims who stayed were allowed to elect their own religious leaders.
But in 1990, a new Greek law gave provincial governors the power to appoint muftis instead. Ibrahim Sharif is the mufti elected by the community in neighbouring Komotini. He says state-appointed muftis are an attempt to deny Turkish Muslims the rights assured to them in the treaty.
We, as Western Thrace Muslim Turks, are a minority that doesn't exist anywhere in the world. A minority that has been assured certain rights by the Lausanne Treaty. Our biggest challenge is that our rights from this treaty are being denied.
Sharif was among other community-elected muftis who have been imprisoned in connection with carrying out religious duties. He took his case to the European Court of Human Rights, which ruled in his favour, and in 4 other cases it said that Greece violated freedom of thought, conscience and religion. Sharif was paid €10,000 in compensation by Greece, but he says what he really wants is to be recognised by the state. Caitlin McGee, TRT World, Xanthe in Greece.